like to call Kunal Gavgave for expressing his views.
Good morning, everyone, respected Vandile sir, chief guest, and all my dear friends. My name is Kunal Gavgave. I am student for Vandile sir English speaking and personality development class. I wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. We celebrate it on 5th of September every year. This day celebrated on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. Teacher Day best way for students express the love and respect for their teacher. He make your future bright. He help us to become good human being. शिक्षक means शिखर तक ले जाने वाला. श means क्षमा की भावना रखने वाला. क मीन्स कमजोरी दूर करने वाला. अर्थात जो विद्यार्थी की हर गलती को क्षमा करने की भावना रखता है और उसकी हर कमजोरी दूर कर उसको शिखर सफलता तक ले जाता है, वही सच्चा शिक्षक कहलाता है. एजुकेशन इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन योर लाइफ. इट इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ नॉलेज, स्किल एंड डेवलप ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी एंड एटीट्यूड.
Thank you, Kunal. So now I would like to call upon Kushal for his speech.
हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों रंग चाहिए एक रंगोली बनाने के लिए. हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों रंग चाहिए एक रंगोली बनाने के लिए, और बस एक गुरु ही काफ़ी है बच्चों का जीवन स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए, बच्चों का जीवन स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए. A very warm good morning to one and all present here, respected Chief Guest Vandile sir and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day as a birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was celebrated on 5th September 1888. किस्सा जिंदगी का कभी शुरू ही ना हुआ होता. किस्सा जिंदगी का कभी शुरू ही ना हुआ होता अगर जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने वाला गुरु ही ना हुआ होता, गुरु ही ना हुआ होता, गुरु ही ना हुआ होता. There is the famous saying in India, teachers are second parents of the students. Parents gives us birth and teachers guides and teaches us to succeed in our life. Show the path towards success. Every parent wants their children to be educated. India has got a rich history of the teachers and givers have guided their students and the devotees to reach the success in their life. बंद पिंजरे में कैद थे एक उड़ान दिया आपने. बंद पिंजरे में कैद थे एक उड़ान दिया आपने. खुला आसमान और एक नई मुस्कान दिया आपने, मुस्कान दिया आपने, मुस्कान दिया. By this, at last, I would like to thank to the organizers to give me this greatest opportunity to speak on teachers. जो उड़ गए एक बार बहुत काम करेंगे. जो उड़ गए एक बार बहुत काम करेंगे. फ्यूचर में आपका बहुत नाम करेंगे. फ्यूचर में आपका बहुत नाम करेंगे.
थँक यू कुशाल. विचारांच्या समुद्रात बुडताना वास्तवतेचं लाईफ जॅकेट घालावं. आभासी जगात जगताना सत्याचा शोध घेणं शिकावं. सत्याचा शोध घेणं शिकावं. So now I would like to call Darshan Rohankar for expressing his views.
सत्य की राह पर चलना सिखाते हैं. सत्य की राह पर चलना सिखाते हैं जो जीवन के संघर्षों से लड़ना सिखाते हैं. कोटि कोटि नमन उन सभी शिक्षकों को जो हमें ईमानदारी से जीना सिखाते हैं, जीना सिखाते हैं. गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर, ऑनरेबल डिग्नेटरीज ऑन द डायस, रिस्पेक्टेड Vandile sir, and last but not least my dear friends. Today we have gathered here on very auspicious occasion of our nation, which is Teachers Day. So friends, this is the day when we celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. This is the day in school when we are doing the acting of that personality which we can never be. Yes friends, I am talking about our teachers. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of others. Teacher is that a book which I can never define in my words. Nowadays what happened, many people are not interested in the profession of teacher. I think that it just have two reasons. First is money, second is our education system. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you show, it makes you the world best teacher. Friends, education system. Friends, it was started in 1830 by Lord Thomas Badminton Macaulay. He suggested classroom learning. Friends, you know British have lots of company in India, but they do not have that much worker. So that's why they made such type of pattern of syllabus education. So in India there is only should made only worker, not any teacher, any businessman, any philosopher, etc. So friends, you know APJ Abdul Kalam, he once said that our India will become developed nation in 2020, but still our 2023 is going on, but our nation is in the list of developing country. So it is very bad truth of our country. And friends, you know the worst part is now also after independence, after 75 years also, we are following the same pattern, same syllabus. Friends, I remind you one thing, that teacher is not that person who teach us in between the four wall and one roof with the help of book, but a teacher is that person who teach us lesson that are useful in every minute of our life. And teacher can be anyone. It can our friends, our neighbors, or family members also. Teacher is that person who teach us anything which we can't learn on ourselves. Friends, and nature. Friends, nature is the biggest teacher, because from small compound of nature we can learn big lesson. Like, you know, Sindhutai Sapkad is the biggest example who take the motivation and confidence from the nature. Sindhutai Sapkad husband means Sindhutai Sapkad husband gets some type of rumor that the baby in his stomach's wife is not belongs to her. So, and it is somehow else. So he expelled Sindhutai Sapkad from his home. Then Sindhutai Sapkad went to graveyard, means our Kabristan, where the dead people live, means with his half-year child. And then Sindhutai Sapkad sit on a bench, means sitting on the bench with his half-year child, and thinking that means now there is no chance for me. Now this is time to suicide. But suddenly what happened? She saw one tree. That tree is very huge, and that tree's branches are greenish except one. That one branch is somehow broken, but then also its leaves are green. So Sindhutai Sapkad think that if that broken branch grow its green leaves, so why should I quit? Why should I suicide? And now he work hard. Now he is also known as the biggest social worker of Maharashtra and India also. And you know, now he is also called by the Mai. You know what is meaning of Mai? The mother of all children, because he opened the orphanage, and from that many businessmen, many philosophers, many teachers are coming. So that's why friends, nature is the biggest teacher. From small compounds, small object, we can get the big lesson of life. So before I conclude my speech, I would share one शायरी with you. गुमनामी की इस अंधेरे में मेरी पहचान बना दी, गुमनामी की इस अंधेरे में मेरी पहचान बना दी, इस दुनिया के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया। उनकी रहमतों का असर है मुझ पर, उनकी रहमतों का असर है मुझ पर, आज गुरु ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया, इंसान बना दिया। थैंक यू
so much Darshan for this